Bucket. Yeah, that is a video today, and that one inside. Continuous natin ito guys. Ilipat ko muna itong ang sa galon ko kasi mabigat guys, very heavy already. See, 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 7. Wait. Kasi big size guys. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20, 23, 25, 28, 30, 34 guys. You already have in bucket. Kaya continuous pa tayo guys. No, until maybe 9 o'clock. Yeah, let's go guys. Continuous natin. Yeah, see, still cutting guys. But me too. Yes, yes. Woohoo! Continuous lang Papa Jerry. Hanggang magaga pa guys. O 9 o'clock, depends. Still catching UST. Right? Yes, Papa Jerry. Continuous lang guys. Oh. Go again guys. Let me count this one. Tired. I'm going now. Going to the Toyota Micro 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Yeah. 20, 22, 24, 6, 28, 30 guys. That is 30 already half bucket guys. Okay, thank you guys. See you soon. Ibilangin natin sa bahay guys. I want to account this piece in the house. Let's go because I will be late in the Micro. Let's go. This guys, counting natin to guys. Yan o. Kung nilan yan, bilangin natin yan guys ha. Kung naman ni pounds. Ang problema to guys, kasi mabigat to eh. Okay. Mr. B. Good morning guys. Yan patuloy tayo guys. Tapos bilangin natin ito guys. Hirap naman sitwasyon natin guys. May maputi pa tayo guys oh. Yeah. Bilangin natin yung lahat yan guys. Para hindi scammer tayo. Ha? Yeah. Kapag sa scammer guys. Continue pa natin guys. Kahit hirap tayo ha. Katakop. Yan na guys oh. Yan. Katlop mo natin yung mga guys. See you. Wala na naman yan. Hugasan mo natin to guys. Tapos bilangin natin kung ilan lahat. Okay. Let's go. Shout out sa inyo lahat yan. Good morning. Busy ako kasi dahil punta ako ng Toyota Micro. Continuous lang guys. Good morning daling. Mr. B. Yes. Oh guys, may plastic tayo. Counting natin guys kung ilang huli natin ngayon, ha? 2. Yan guys. 2. 6. Ang lalaki guys, oh. 8. 10. 14, 16, 18, 19, 20. Using rod lang ulit guys. 22, 24, 26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 46, 48, 50 guys. Yan. 50 na yan guys. Natin guys. 2, 4, 6, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 6, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50 guys. Wow, 50 na. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 60 na, 52, 54, 56, 58, 62. Wow. 63. 63 guys. 63 tsaka 60. 63. Tsaka 60. 65. Wow. 125 guys. Yeah, that plus 2 puti. 125. Wow. Alright. $5 ang binta natin yan guys. Pero may naka-ano na lahat yan. Alright. Contest natin guys. Bukas ulit. Kasi punta akong Toyota. Pa-maintenance ng sasakyan. Alright. Shout out sa inyo lahat yan. Green. Alright. Thank you for watching guys. Love you guys. God always love you. And Mama in the sea always love you guys. I love you guys. From Papa with love. And Mama in the beachside guys. Love you guys. See you soon. Another big video guys. Ano na yan guys.